Presenting TAGG Verve NEO Smartwatch. It comes in 3 color variants of black, blue and rose gold. See the bigger and brighter picture with 500 nits brightness. It has 1.69-inch ultra-large display. The zinc alloy body can withstand the daily rough usage with ease. It is IPX67 water resistant. The watch has a battery life of 10 days. With real-time blood oxygen SpO2 and heart rate tracking, keep a track of your health with daily progress reports. Keep track of your sleep with sleep tracking. Female menstrual cycle tracking helps you to be stress-free always. The water drinking reminders and sedentary reminders to make sure that you stay hydrated and active the whole day. Stay updated with smart notifications with this smartwatch. With multiple sports modes and in-app GPS, keep a track of your workout and the activity map. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.